Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I cut my hair. I've been wanting a cut for a bit, but didn't really want to trust anyone else with my hair, so I was like, you know what, might as well do it myself. So if I'm looking this way, it's only because I'm looking in a mirror and I want to make sure what I'm doing is right. So a hairbrush, I got this at the dollar store. Right, got it at the dollar store. Have my scissors, which hairstylists are gonna kill me for, but it is what it is. These are the only ones I have. Got my little baby hairbrush, but I'm gonna use it to part my hair, and just the normal hairband. So what I do first is my hair naturally parts in the middle, so I'm gonna try to brush it all back, like all the way to the back. So this is what it's supposed to look like. I'm just gonna grab a hairband and make sure everything is tight. So what I'm trying to get rid of is this, because it doesn't look healthy and it doesn't look like I actually really need it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my towel here because I don't want the hair all over my floor. Put it right here. So I'm gonna go like, this. I'm just gonna cut it off. That's probably the worst way to show anyone, but just cut it off. And then I'm gonna undo this, and then I'll do a different layer because I just want to give myself a little trim but more layers. So I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna pick up this layer right above my ears because this is where I lack the most volume, and I'm gonna do the same thing, other than I'm gonna get this brush. Not the best parting, but with 2C to 3B, I guess it's a little bit more forgiving. So when it's dry, obviously. So I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna do the same thing I did where I go like this. So I'm gonna go like this. And I'm gonna yet again, I'm going to remove all this. It's not a lot, it's literally a trim, but yeah, it needs to go. There you go. So the point of this trim is I want to give myself a lot of layers. So I'm gonna go in and separate this one more time. Band, but I'm gonna go in and trim this just a bit more. Just maybe like that. And now I'm gonna go back and go like this. Just make sure that everything is even. So these are even. I'm gonna go in for a little bit more of a trim on this side. Get this side. I think I need a bit more layers on the sides because that's where I lack the most volume. So I'm just going to do that. I'm gonna go like this and just cut. So I'm gonna go like this. some more. Feels a bit lighter already, but yeah. What I'm gonna do is go like this. I'm gonna go look in the mirror, see what more I want to add, if I have enough layers. Anyways, so I just scratched my hair up. I'm gonna go like this. No products, I'm not using anything. I want it to dry naturally, so if I miss the spot I can actually get it. So yeah. Go back. So this is what it looks like. I can't really deny that maybe this has been the best haircut I've gotten or given myself, if anything. So I'm just gonna turn around and show you guys what it looks like from the back. It feels like a lot. It feels a lot less heavy. Just wanna come in. There's a lot more volume, which is what I wanted. So